is on the floor.
Working in the shade today.
Shade tree mechanics.
Yeah. Last episode you guys saw us, just, man, I got fried, my skin was lobstered. So we actually had gathered enough intelligence today to roll the car under a tree. Just gonna take the bumper off and give the cab a bit of a sand, and then see what we've got to work with, and have to do the doors, I think. Do something about the doors, they're just a bit gross.
They are.
Yeah, there's just bolts here, under here.
Yeah.
These are already off. Yeah, it's just under here, the bolts. Oh, I found some degreaser. I think we used it to start the car last time. I found it. Yeah, let's take these smaller bolts out. I'll be smarter. Let's work smart today. Let's work smart. Take this bumper off. It sounds like I'm murdering this thing. I need a nice broad flat blade. Nice broad one. You know?
Broad.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, these are just so old. All the bolts holding everything on, there's never been a part since 1993. And they're just all rusted out. So we're just going to grind the bolts that hold the bumper on off. Because we can.
Who would have thought sitting out in the field for 20 years would rust off his bolts?
This Zito grinder's got two functions. If you just press down, normal grinder, but if you let it spool up, it's mad. Why don't they make things like this anymore?
Probably for safety reasons.
So you can do like a nice conventional sand, but then when you need to strip off double-sided tape, you just spool this thing up and it becomes like essentially like an angle grinder. Let's do a thing. Alright, we got the passenger door off because the hinge mounts, you can see the top of the caddy, and these ones are all cracked. The bottom ones cracked. So we have to weld these cracks up in order to have a bit of rigidity, and then we'll probably have to readjust the door, the hinge.
The familiar sound.
Yeah.
Is that thing still adjustable?
Huh?
That little nut inside, is that still adjustable?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, good. Just checking.
Oh. That's how you do it.
Yep.
Just click, 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 bam. It's cracked on this side as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, watch me weld up.
I'm watching.
Have a look at that weld.
Whew.
That's what we've been doing wrong. That's how you weld this stuff.
Sure.
Just click, 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 boom. Well, look at that weld. Dude, we cracked it. We cracked the code.
Yeah.
Yeah, we honestly, you have a go. You have a go. Just go. Toot, 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 toot. All right.
You've cracked the code.
We've cracked the code of the MIG.
Mig.
Yeah.
I've got hat here,
Hit it with this flappy wheel, I guess, and then have a look,
okay.
touch up a few bits, and then put the door back on.
Yeah. Because the crack's still there.
I need to get to the bottom of that crack ASAP. You have done it, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Fix the door.
Let's get the door back on there.
Let's get the door back on, paint the car. Yeah!
So I'll just single-handedly
How are you gonna do this?
put the door in myself.
Just get some super glue on it. Yeah, so we got bog. We got bog in all the right places and all the wrong places. Alright. Yeah, we figured it would be easier to take the guard off to reinstall it with the hinges, because it was really hard getting the door back on the hinges. And now I'm pretty much regretting that decision. Because everything is rusted and doesn't want to come off, and
Oh man.
Gon's been wrenching on it for half an hour. Everything's rusted, and you know, yeah, the usual, you know. Well, bit of an update, guys. Gon's been
Is it really an update?
done a run to Super Cheap to get some clips that hold the fender on, because the original ones are just basically rusted out and disintegrated.
To our surprise.
Yeah. That's not the sound you want to hear. Well, what do you reckon, mate?
It's as ready as it ever been.
Oh, guys, it's pretty laughable, this prep job. Once you know what you can use the car for, you will realise it doesn't really matter.
Demolition derby.
Yeah, just about. I think compressors
We're gonna drag
make-
the beast out.
We're gonna drag the beast out. We're gonna hit it with another coat of white and see what it looks like. They said it couldn't be done. We are spraying a car in the dirt. Look at my pants, they're just full of dirt.
You've bogged your pants as
You
well.
know, and guys, it's all happening. The car is now one colour. Now we do need to do a bit of work with that door. We know that, so that door is coming off. But we thought we'd just spray it anyway, and then all the bits that we need to fix up, we'll just rub them back and do them up later. But just for now, just to get the overall look, we sprayed the whole car. Yeah, no worries. You've seen it?
You've lived it.
We've lived it.
You smelt it.
We're getting it done.
We smelt it.
It's not good. It's not perfect. But it's not bad either. Okay? And it certainly is good enough for what we're going to do with this car. And you've got to keep watching to find out. Okay? Yeah, it's not demo derby.
It's not?
No.
Sure.
Well,
maybe all the bog will fall off.
kind of not. Yeah. I'm pretty disappointed with that bog actually. I know I keep praising my Zito tools, but on this occasion we're going to have to bury this one.
No.
Yeah, fortunately the main bearing let go and all the ball bearings fell out. We could fix it, but I just don't want to torture it anymore. I think it's... I mean, this is 13 years of service, this sander. We're going to retire it today.